In the previous video, we looked at thermal expansion in solids. Now let's take a look at thermal expansion in liquids. When we are looking at liquids, we are going to be finding the change in volume, not just the change in length. The change in volume is equal to beta, which is the coefficient of volume expansion, multiplied by the original volume, multiplied by the change in temperature. Or in symbols, we have delta V is equal to beta times V times delta T. Just like with the coefficient of linear expansion, the values for the coefficient of volume expansion can be found in the table you see on this slide. Let's take a look at one problem where we have to find the thermal expansion in a liquid. Find the increase in volume of a gallon of water that is heated from 70 degrees Fahrenheit, or roughly room temperature, to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, or almost boiling. The equation we will be using is delta V equals beta times V times delta T. Our value for beta, the coefficient of volume expansion for water, is 1.2 times 10 to the minus 4 per degree Fahrenheit. We can keep our original volume in gallons because then our change in volume will also have units of gallons. The original volume is 1 gallon, and the change in temperature is 200 degrees minus 70 degrees, which equals 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Multiplying, we see the change in volume is 0.0156 gallons. Again, this is kind of hard to picture, so we can convert this into cubic inches by multiplying by 231 to get about 3.6 cubic inches. This concludes our discussion of thermal expansion and thermal expansion in liquids.